Starting pure substance now. So you can say pure substance or you can say properties of pure substance. So this PDF already I have given. So see now, we'll understand. Our first point will start with Gibbs free phase rule. Gibbs phase rule. Gibbs phase rule is having a very popular equation. P plus F is equal to C plus 2. Now I will give you the physical feel about this. See what is physical feel about this. Whenever we are talking about phase, so for example, if you have any cylinder, in this cylinder you are keeping ice. So ice molecules will not go here, there, here and there, here and there, here and there. They will not go here and there. But if you are keeping water, then water molecule, they will change here and there, here they will go. And if in the same chamber you are keeping any gas, then gas molecules are more randomly going here and there, here and there. So because of these kind of motions, some properties will change. For example, which property will not change? For example, right now volume will not change, but because of these motions, what properties may change or what properties may not change. So see, for example, volume will not change, mass will not change because chamber is closed. Suppose there is something called viscosity. Viscosity may change because there is cause of viscosity. Why viscosity is there into picture? Okay, just a minute. What is viscosity? Viscosity is nothing but the problem. Already I have taught you this. Viscosity means when fluid is trying to flow, then one layer of the fluid will restrict another layer. I mean, every layer of the fluid will create friction for the another layer. So that friction, viscosity is kind of friction in the fluid during the motion. And already I have I don't know I have given the link or not. I have explained there are two types of viscosity, dynamic and kinematic. So those two viscosities you can read from the I have one small video from that YouTube link, you can read. Okay, now see, in Gibbs phase rule I am trying to say, when you have solid, then your phase is like solid. This P will represent phase. When your gas is liquid, then your phase is liquid. Again the P will represent phase. And in gas, phase is gas. And then there is something called degree of freedom. This F is known as degree of freedom. And C is known as component. Component means in the chamber who is present. H2O is present, nitrogen is present, oxygen is present. How many people are present? Either solid or liquid or gaseous state. How many people are present? So C. Mostly Gibbs phase rule is used to find out number of independent properties required to fix the state. What does it mean? Suppose you have a state here. Suppose this state I am considering as liquid state. And just imagine one thing. Suppose you have area. Area is equal to length into breadth. If you change the length, area will change automatically. If you change the breadth, area will change automatically. It means area is depending on length and breadth. So area became dependent property and length and breadth are independent. If you want to fix the area, then length and breadth if you are fixing, automatically area will be fixed. But in mathematics, length is another property, width is another property, area is another property. It means if you say that total 3 properties you have, out of these 3, 2 properties, length and breadth, they are independent property, but one property, that is area, that is dependent property. So imagine you have total m number of properties. Total m number of properties. Out of that m number of property, some properties are independent. I mean, they don't depend on anyone. M is total properties like pressure, volume, temperature, density, enthalpy, internal energy, like they are total m number of properties. Out of that n properties, they are independent properties. So If you are fixing these properties, then all properties will be fixed automatically. So degree of freedom you can find out after fixing the state. I mean, suppose you have solid. In case of solid, your phase is fixed. यस गौरव. हाँ. ध्रुव नहीं आ रहा अभी. कहाँ रह गया ध्रुव? जल्दी आ जाओ. शायद खाना खाने लगा क्या? वो नाश्ता करने लगा. पूछो पूछो कहाँ रह गया वो. कहीं उसके अभी पावर कट का इशू तो नहीं हो गया? ओ